Happy Hour with Nikki. Today I've paired up with my friends at Cavo and Clio, two delicious liquors that you have to try. This is a Greek rum. You'll link below to see where you could purchase this. And this is a Mastika spirit, which is mastic, they say. It is just delicious. You have to try it. There's no way to describe it. So we're gonna make this cocktail an Aegean Mojito. So we're gonna start with Collins glass. We're gonna fill that up with ice. Put that right into our shaker, just easier for measuring. We're gonna take our rum. Look how beautiful this bottle is, so pretty. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of rum. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of this Clio Mastika spirit. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, fresh lime juice. And then 1/4 of an ounce of just simple syrup, just a tiny bit, because the Mastika is already sweet. So we're gonna put that right in there. Shake this up. Yes, I have a bedazzled shaker, very on brand for me. We're gonna put that right back into our glass here. And we're gonna top that off with some club soda and a little bit more ice. And I'm gonna garnish this with some fresh mint leaves. This is very summery, smells delicious. This one's mine, you have to get yours. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Cheers.